to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to show you guys some of my favorite laundry product. So if you know me, you know that I absolutely love to do laundry. I love to wash clothes, dry them, and fold them up. I just do. I don't know why, but I do. I love the smell of laundry products. The smell of laundry products just puts me in a mood, a cleaning mode. But anyways, so whenever I go into a store, I always go to the laundry section. I don't care if I'm going grocery shopping, I'm going to pick up ends and odds. Like, I always go to the laundry section just because I never know what's new. But so I found some good stuff between two stores that I'm really super excited about that I'm going to share with you guys today. So enough of me talking. Let's jump right into these deals and steals. Okay, so one of the first products that I want to talk about is this Gain. Is this Gain. Okay, so I am like legit late on this Gain right here. Like, if you watch any of my laundry videos, like me doing laundry, like I use Persil. Like, Persil is my go-to, my favorite laundry detergent, like hands down. Like, can't nothing replace Persil. Like, I use Persil pods and I use Persil liquid. So with that being said, that will always be my #1 laundry detergent. But before I started using Persil, I used to use Gain. So once I got introduced to Persil, it was like, okay, this is my like signature laundry detergent, I would say. Anyways, so I was in Walmart browsing as I normally do. Many times as I have been on the laundry detergent, I never seen this detergent before. I just so happens to go on the other side of the store where they had clearance at, and I ran against this. When I say it's Gain Essential Oils, when I say I have never seen this before, never, I'm just like, where have I been? Where have this been? But it says it was, which this is the clearance sticker, it was $9.94. If I can get it to focus for you guys. Anyway, it was $9.94 and it was on clearance for $8. So I'm just like, $8, I want to try it. So I smelled it. I did a sniff test. Oh, absolutely amazing. So it is Gain with essential oils, and this is the lavender and lavender and calm one. Like, I never seen this before. Never. Bam. So I fell in love with it, and when I went to Walmart, they had two on clearance. They had this one and they had one more, but the top was broken, and then the laundry stuff was like running down the side. So I was like, I'm not even gonna fool with that. So I got this one. So I came home and I washed a little clothes in it, and I absolutely fell in love with it. It had my clothes smelling amazing. It had my house smelling amazing. I guess it's essential oils, I don't know. But anyways, so I was like, well, now that they discontinue this, I'm just like, I would never, ever find no more of this. I done tried like several Walmarts looking for some of this, and I had no luck. I asked one of the managers that works at Walmart, and they was like, it's discontinued, that they're no longer going to sell it anymore. I'm just like, that sucks, because I just got introduced to it and it smells amazing and I like it. Like, this would be my secondary to my Persil. But nevertheless, it's a store in another town opposite of what I live in, and I was there looking for one thing, and you know me, I'm going to the laundry section. Doesn't matter what store I'm in, I'm going to the laundry section, and lordy behold, I ran upon these. When I say these, that means I got multiples. So check this out. I'll tell you what store I got it from. So I got it from Ollie's. If you guys have an Ollie's in your area, like, I highly suggest you go check Ollie's out. So I got it from Ollie's, and it says the same thing as this one. Original price $9.94. Both the same exact thing, but their original price, like not clearance, just original price, regular on the shelf, which they had multiples, is $3.99. Can you believe it? Shut the front door. $3.99, you guys. And I paid $8 for this one on clearance at Walmart. And this one was $3.99 at Ollie's. Same exact one, same amount of ounces, same fragrance, same game, everything. Absolutely nothing different between the two. One was $8 and one was $3.99. A whole $4 difference. So with that being said, you know me, I love laundry. I just grabbed a whole bunch of them just because I love them. So you can best believe I will be going back getting more. But moving on. So my second favorite laundry product is Lysol. Sanitizing laundry. Laundry sanitizing. 0% bleach. Like, Walmart sell this as well, but yes, I got this one from Walmart. But Sam's have them. I love to get them from Sam's because they come bigger. You get more for your money at Sam's. I'm not sure exactly how many ounces you get from Sam's and the price. I just buy it, to be honest. But with this, I use this for my colors. I use this for my whites. I use this for everything. Like, I put I don't care what I'm washing. It doesn't matter. Whether I'm washing my towels, our clothes, our rugs, even down to like my dog bedding and stuff like that. I put 2 caps of this Lysol in there. White clothes, color clothes, dress clothes, whatever. And when I tell you, it's amazing. Like, I absolutely love it. Like, you can't go wrong. Like, it's a antibacterial, kills 99.9% of bacteria. And guess what? It smells amazing too. Oh yes, it smells amazing. So this is my second laundry product. Now, moving on to the next one. Beads. I have a thing for beads. Like, I buy them, like different kinds of them. Like, I love beads. Like, they are my favorite. They give your clothes that boost of fragrance that you may be looking for. But this one is my favorite one. The Bliss. The Downy Bliss. They was really hard to find at one point in time. Like, it went like a good month and I couldn't find it, like, no stores. Sam's, Target, Walmart, no stores had it. So I looked up and I went to Target one day and they had like a shelf full of them. And you know me, I grabbed as many as I could. So that is that, the Downy Bliss. The Gain Island Fresh. I feel like I'm on a tropical island when I smell that. This one is really good too. Like, I love it. And besides, I love the color. It's orange. Ooh. This one. So, let me tell you a little story about this one. This one, it was a mistake. I was at Target getting these, and I saw this one. I was like, I never seen no red one, no red Unstoppable before. I smelled it. It smelled good. I didn't think none of it. I got it, got home, got ready to wash clothes, and it smelled like really strong when I opened it up. And I looked at it, and it says Old Spice. When I say this smells just like men cologne, ladies, listen to me. If you don't mind smelling like a man, use it, honey. Use it. Because I put it in my husband's work clothes, and he smells amazing. Yes, he smells amazing. So, I had got it from Target. Like I said, I had picked like one bottle up by accident, and I went back to Target. It was all gone. Went to Ollie's once again, and I found it. I'm like, okay, let me get one of those. So the original price, $11.97, and Ollie's had it for $9.49. Not too big of a sale, but I mean, for the smell of it, it was worth it to me. So the other one that I have, the other two that I have, this one, the Refresh, this is just like a fresh scent of Refresh. It's like, it's really fresh, it's really common, like it's really mild. It smells really good. I got this one from Sam's just because I cannot go into the store without buying a laundry product. Whether it's beads, whether it's detergent. I don't care how many bottles of detergent or Persil that I have. When I go into the store, I'm still going to buy one. Simple as that. Or buy something. With this one, with the purple lavender one, it's called Calm. Oh man, it smells with this lavender and Calm Gain Essential Oil washing powders, liquid detergent, whatever you want to call it. Liquid detergent. Yeah, that one. And these beads and this, which is the Downy Calm Fabric Softener. Oh my goodness, let me tell you guys something. Your clothes is going to smell absolutely amazing. Hear me? I'm telling you, these the three. This is the three right here. This is, let me show you if I can hold it all. These three right here together is the three that I'm gonna need y'all to go buy. This Downy Fabric Softener, these Downy beads, and you guys got to find some of this Gain Essential Oil Lavender Common Laundry Detergent. I said dish detergent earlier, but anyways, laundry detergent. You gotta find it. And like I said, if you have an Ollie's, O-L-L-I-S, Ollie's. If you have an Ollie's in your area or somewhere nearby, go check them out. Because this is where I got mine from. Okay, I done dropped that. Okay, moving along. So, before I found out about the Gain Essential Oil Laundry Detergent, I was just using the Bliss beads. I didn't use the common one. I did, but I mean not as much. But the Bliss was like my favorite my favorite go-to, because this with the Persil and this smells amazing. So I got this from Target. I got the Bliss laundry detergent to go with the Bliss beads from Target. So with that and my Persil, amazing, absolutely amazing. And then of course I do my Bliss Downy sheets, which smells amazing as well. So these three, if I can hold them up, these three with my Persil. Ooh, it smells amazing, honey. So yes, that's it. Like, unless I find something new, something impressive, something that catches my eye, then that's all I really use besides my Persil, which I don't have a bottle of it because, you know, I do the mason jar thing. So all my Persil is in the mason jar, and the pods is in the mason jar. I did like the whole mason jar look, which I have a video if you guys want to go check that out. Me redoing my laundry room. But anyway, so I don't have a picture of the Persil, but it's in a red and blue container, which smells amazing. Like I said, that's my favorite, and these goes along right along with it. As you can see, like when I use Persil, I like to use a Pacific bead, a Pacific fabric softener, and like Pacific dryer sheets. When I use this Gainer, I like to use a Pacific fabric softener and like a Pacific beads, because I'm telling you, when I say, you can walk by somebody and they be like, you smell good, what do you got on? Nothing, just clean clothes, you know. It feels good. But anyways, nevertheless, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys go find you guys in Ollie's and go check this washing powders out, because I'm telling you, like, it's legit on the market good, okay? I would not be doing this video if it was not good. I'm telling you. Like, I wish they had smell-o-vision. Oh my goodness, so you can smell this. It's just like, I guess the essential oils in it. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if I find something new, or I run across some new laundry detergent or laundry products that I think that you guys need to know about, guess what? Your girl D is gonna let you know. So until the next time, until the next video, thanks for hanging out with me today. And thanks for watching. I love you. I love you guys. I forgot. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.